Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to change your YouTube handle. So right now my YouTube handle is at quik.videos, and let's say I want to change it. So to change your YouTube handle, go to youtube.com/handle, and on this page press the big white button, change handle, and here you can change your handle to whatever is currently available. So if I try and change it to @quik, I know I can't change it to that because someone has already taken this handle. But if I wanted to do @quik.videos6, I can see that there is a green check mark, it's available, and if I wanted to go through with this, which I don't, all I would need to do is press confirm selection, and then my YouTube handle will become @quik.videos6. I'm gonna go ahead and keep my current name @quik.videos because it's much better than @video6. So I'm gonna press cancel, but that is how you could change your YouTube handle if you want to. And that was a quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.